Unraveling the mystery of complex sentence structures in formal writing. Hey there! Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're delving into a particularly fascinating part of formal writing: complex sentence structures. If you've ever wondered how to construct intricate sentences that sound professional and elegant, then you're in the right place. So grab a notebook, and let's get started. Complex sentence structures involve combining multiple ideas into a single sentence using various clauses. These structures can give your writing a more sophisticated and polished feel. Here's what you need to know. Independent clauses. These are complete thoughts that can stand alone. Dependent clauses. These cannot stand alone and must be linked to an independent clause. Coordination and subordination. Using conjunctions to connect these clauses. For example, an independent clause might be, I love reading, and a dependent clause might be, when it's raining. Put them together, and you have a complex sentence. I love reading when it's raining. Formal writing often requires precision, clarity, and a certain level of sophistication. Complex sentences can provide this by offering detailed explanations. By linking related thoughts, you can provide more comprehensive information. Enhancing flow and rhythm. The varied structure makes your writing more engaging and less monotonous. Reflecting thoughtful analysis. It shows that you've thought about how ideas connect and relate to one another. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Here are some exercises. 1. Combine the sentences. 2. Sentence 1. She studied hard. 3. Sentence 2. She passed the exam. 4. Combined. She studied hard, so she passed the exam. 5. Create your own complex sentences. 6. Use the conjunctions, because, although, if, etc. 7. Remember to mix independent and dependent clauses. Take your time with these, and don't hesitate to replay this section if you need a refresher. And that's a wrap on complex sentence structures in formal writing. I hope this video has illuminated this intricate topic for you. Practice is key, so keep working on those exercises. Remember, you're building the skills to make your writing more eloquent and engaging. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Until next time, happy writing!